Welcome to our competency-based question series designed chapter-wise to enhance your conceptual learning and understanding. Question 3. M1 is the plane mirror initially placed at angle theta is equal to 45 degree and the coordinate at which x is placed is 10, 0. M2 is the concave mirror. It has a focal length 10 centimeter and it is placed at the coordinate such that the optical center or the principal or the pole of this mirror, since it's a mirror, it is having a pole, it is at the coordinate 10, 20. A beam of light is parallel to the x-axis and it is incident to the plane mirror. We need to find out the coordinates of the image formed by this concave mirror for the angle of the plane mirror, that is 45 degree. We need to explain also that how the answer we have reached. So let's take this thing. Since the rays are coming parallel to the x-axis, so I can make something like this. So this is my ray that is coming parallel to the x-axis. So here when it strikes this plane mirror, I have to draw a normal and this angle will be 45 degree. We know the law of reflection, angle of incidence has to be angle of reflection. So the ray will be moving perpendicular to the axis of this concave mirror because this angle has to be 45. Similarly, if I take one another ray, it will also move perpendicular to the principal axis of the concave mirror. Because if this angle is 45 angle of incidence, angle of reflection has to be 45 only. So all the rays which are reaching the concave mirror these rays, they are parallel to the principal axis, are parallel to principal axis. And we know this thing that when rays are parallel to the principal axis, they all will converge at the focus F. So all these rays, after converging from the mirror M2, they will reach at focus. So image will be formed at F of concave mirror. Now we need to find the coordinates for the focus. So we know that this focus F, it is having x coordinate as 10 and it is given in the question that the focal length is 10. So we need to come down 10 units. Here we are at 20. So we need to come down 10 units. So this will be 10, 10. So coordinates at which image is formed is 10, 10. And this is the required answer. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep excelling.